So now we have a title, body, and our product reference. The only fields that we need to add now are our voting fields. Now the module that we want to use is called Fivestar, and it's an additional module to the voting API, which provides a basic framework for lots of different types of voting. You can learn more about the voting API by going to drupal.org/node/68851. This has a list of the different modules that are built on top of the voting API, including ones that are active and ones that aren't necessarily so active right now. This also gives you a little bit more information about what the voting API does. The one that we want to use is called Fivestar. It provides a set of stars of variable amounts, so we could have 5 or we can have 10 like we have in our wireframes, and it's really the only established Drupal module that provides this functionality. Now if we go to the Fivestar page, you'll see that it requires the voting API. So you'll need to install the voting API as well as Fivestar. Of course, if you use Drush to install Fivestar, it will install and enable the voting API by default. Here's some information about the specific modules and versions that you need to enable in order to follow along. But again, I'm going to use Drush because it's a lot faster. All right, so if we go to the modules page and we click on voting to filter out the voting modules, you should see that Fivestar is checked and the voting API is checked as well.